Hi, it's Mark Coleman from Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy. Another amazing day to be creative, and we're going to do macro photography. That's right, we're going to do macro photography right out here at the back at Paul's Photo. So what are we going to do? We're going to do a mirrorless full frame camera. I'm going to do Nikon Z7 with the 105 millimeter macro lens. We're going to explore different subjects. So how are we going to do that? We're going to go aperture priority, RAW, f8, ISO 400, auto white balance, and we're going to get in close. We're going to move the focus square around to get the subject that we want in focus. It's so cool. So what do you have to remember about macro photography? Number one, you need a faster shutter speed than you think. Number two, use the vibration reduction. Number three, make sure you've got the focus point exactly where you want it, because focus is far more critical. To get autofocus macro great, you have to work at it. You need practice. Go out and have some fun with it and be creative. Mark Coleman from Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy. Let's rock this.